If you drive a Nissan Patrol Y62 or an Infiniti QX80 or QX56 from 2010 to 2020, this Android 15 multimedia head unit is a powerful upgrade that completely modernizes your dashboard. Designed specifically for these models, it fits perfectly and integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's original controls. The system runs on Android 15, delivering smooth performance, fast response, and compatibility with the latest apps. With built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can safely access navigation, calls, messages, and music directly from the screen using voice control or touch. One of the key features is built-in 4G connectivity, allowing you to stay online without relying on your phone's hotspot. This makes real-time navigation, audio streaming, and app usage much more convenient during long drives. The head unit includes GPS navigation with support for online and offline maps, so you'll always find your way even without an internet connection. It also supports a wide range of audio and video formats, turning your car into a complete multimedia entertainment center. Bluetooth hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming improve safety and comfort, while steering wheel control support lets you keep full control without taking your hands off the wheel. Installation is plug and play, making it a straightforward upgrade.